You need a bigger pan.
I know.
Really? You like that brand, huh?
Yeah,
What's that pocket? Oh, I have one in my truck. Go get it. Honestly, I do. Keep one in my truck.
Happy 4th of July.
Yep. Happy birthday, America.
Yeah. Hey, this is one of the best parts about the 4th of July is a good old-fashioned breakfast.
Eating breakfast with family and friends.
Bacon and eggs and
pancakes.
potatoes.
And, onions. Yeah.
Is it weird that I have always had a thing for walking on gravel? Like, I've always loved the sound of the gravel underneath my feet. The kids are all down at the dock swimming in the river, and Chad is in our trailer watching old Clint Eastwood movies, and he wants a soda pop or something fun to drink, and he's just a little bit irritated with me because I only brought some bottled water with us. I didn't buy any pop or anything like that, and so he's kind of bummed. So I am sneaking into Bonnie and Joel's trailer to see if I can find something yummy. Oh, Olivia! Do not tell your mother.
I get some too then.
Okay, find me something for Grandpa. And I know your mom, and she doesn't care. Oh, hi, Bonnie.
Hi.
Hi, Bonnie. I didn't think anybody was home. Okay, what do you got? Oh, okay, she's got that. No, drink. Do you have any left? Okay. Yes. That will do.
Hey.
Okay, thank you. He'll love it. Olivia sent these, and I got caught sneaking in to the house.
Yes, sir. Shave is not bad.
You could not look prettier if you tried.
Hey, what?
Are you done watching movies?
I'm done watching movies.
Sweetness could reach everyone, there be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
I feel like this needs to be documented just in case they cannot get off. Yeah, in case things go south. Oh, that was a slick move. That was a slick move. All right, Grandma, it's your turn.
Grandma's not feeling this nimble. Oh, she did it.
Okay. Ah, hey, hey. No. Good job, Grandma, Grandpa.
No. 3, 2,
Boston, that's not quite what I wanted.
Oh, got it. Got
funny. Okay, I'm watching ya. Oh!
Why? Boston!
It's not.
Boston, don't let go of the bike!
Hey! Boston, I'm giving you one more chance.
Mom, can I go get my bike? Darn it!
It is so fun to wake up when we want, to go to bed when we want, to eat when we want. It's just fun. Guys, this is going to be so good. I can smell it down the street. So what did you stock up for Dad?
Oh, I grabbed him a couple of sodas.
Thank you. We snuck into your fridge earlier.
Well, I knew, and I was like, well, there's nothing he's gonna want in there.
I fully intended to film our supper tonight, and I got sidetracked because I had a friend from high school come and see me, and so I forgot to film it. You can see the leftovers. We devoured this already. We've got a few ribs left. Those potatoes. Oh, those are so good. Bonnie, what's the name of this salad?
Quinoa, avocado.
Yum. And then lots of bones left over.
This is Mom's plate.
Yeah.
If you go over 50? If you go over 50. So you're trying to get to 50.
You have to get to 50. So if you get to 55,
What?
you got 5.
Why is your tooth coming out? Joel or me?
That what Boston wants to do.
Oh my
Joel's
God.
up.
You grab your camera. Grab your camera. It's coming. Right?
Oh, I'll do it.
Hold on my teeth. You're gonna need
I'll
to dry
do
my...
it.
That's not coming out right now. Oh, Joel, that's not coming out right now.
No.
I'm pretty sure I owe
Boston, let me see it. Oh, Grandma had her camera out.
Rip that? Yeah, I did.
Holy cats, bud. You better keep track of that. My turn? No, it's
Thank you, Boston.
Tooth Fairy came last night for the other tooth.
Let me see that smile, Boston.
Oh.
Let me see it. Oh, that looks so good. Maybe by Christmas you'll have your tooth front teeth.
Now you've missed one.
Yep. Oh.
I am going to close the vlog here. I really don't know what I have in today's footage, just a little bit of everything, I think, but it's just been a great time to be able to celebrate the 4th of July with you kids. And I hope you all had a wonderful 4th of July and that you celebrated and enjoyed the day with family. And I'm just gonna leave it there. Love you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Cody, I don't think the camera does it justice, but it's sure pretty. Sure pretty.